You've won that round.
The man to review the account Max Khadar, but it does not meet our verification requirements at the time. I was trying to get verified everywhere in 2021, but I got denied.
Boy, I'm out wasting. I ain't playing no games. But if you're trying to play with me, then I ain't saying no more. I'm gonna take you to the floor. I'm gonna take you to the board. I'm gonna shoot you in your face and I'm gonna kill you some more.
No, I like that one. Goes on,
Maybe if the time ain't right, then you know what I'm
man.
right.
See, this is the thing, bro. You're just scaring everyone now, man.
Think about this, man. Just think about this, man. Just think about this, man. Think about this, man.
I feel so sick.
Think about this, man. Think about this. Take a bite.